Meaning of frosty.
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 Frosty. The word frosty usually refers to something that is very cold and covered with tiny ice particles or frost. It can also be used to describe a person or their behavior as unfriendly, aloof, or chilly. When someone is described as having a frosty demeanor, it means that they are unapproachable or distant. Additionally, frosty can also refer to the appearance of objects or surfaces that are covered in hoarfrost. Overall, the term frosty typically connotes a sense of coldness or detachment, whether physical or emotional.